What is the difference between state and props in React? I was watching a Pluralsight course on React and the instructor stated that props should not be changed. I'm now reading an article, UBA React Guide, on props versus state, and it says, both props and state changes trigger a render update. Later in the article it says, props, short for properties, are a component's configuration, its actions if you may. They are received from above and immutable. So props can change but they should be immutable. When should you use props and when should you use state? If you have data that a React component needs, should it be passed through props or set up in the React component via getInitialState? Props and state are related. The state of one component will often become the props of a child component. Props are passed to the child within the render method of the parent as the second argument to React create element, or, if you're using JSX, the more familiar tag attributes. The parent state value of child's name becomes the child's this prop's name. From the child's perspective, the name prop is immutable. If it needs to be changed, the parent should just change its internal state. And React will propagate it to the child for you. A natural follow-on question is, what if the child needs to change its name prop? This is usually done through child events and parent callbacks. The child might expose an event called, for example, onNameChanged. The parent would then subscribe to the event by passing a callback handler. The child would pass its requested new name as an argument to the event callback by calling, for example, this props onNameChanged, new name, and the parent would use the name in the event handler to update its state. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn JavaScript. We have a number of awesome tutorials in the works.